Sanding long grain or side grain on the material is very, very easy with the drum sander. Very little preparation is necessary and very little consideration other than depth of cut. Feed speed is required. End grain, for example, take this maple, cherry, and walnut cutting board. When you're sanding on the end grain, it is a much denser material and it is more difficult to remove in a single pass. As you're running it through the machine, the drum sander is grinding the top surface off and creating heat. That friction and heat expands the material as it runs through the machine. Now, the material here on the board will heat up in the center, and the edges will also heat up, but the edges will dissipate much quicker than the center. So when the center heats up, it distorts and bubbles up. So you can run this through several times on one single setting for the drum height, but yet it'll still remove material out of the center because it keeps grinding the center away, creating more heat. But when it does cool back down, it will create a dish in the material. The center will be low. It will not be uniformly low as the heat dissipates from the different woods. When you're sanding end grain material, 1, maybe 2 passes is what you'll be able to do in a single setting of the drum. Take it out and set it aside. Make sure that you don't set it too long or in a very, very cold location, because that will distort the wood the other way.